Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Intel Korea. In CADian CAD, you can easily remove unnecessary elements that are not used in the drawing. Let's modify the visible text and blocks on the screen into empty entities. Remove the contents of the text. Delete all entities in the block editor, and save. Although the entities are not visible on the CAD screen, they still exist in the drawing. Now let's use the empty entity removal feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility to display the modification menu, and select Erase Empty Object. The command is executed, and the removal of empty entities is completed. Press the F2 key to open the prompt history window. By looking at the process, you can see that the text and empty blocks have been removed. It is useful when cleaning up DWG files. We've demonstrated how to use the utility function of CADian CAD to remove empty entities. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.